Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a curry of this scallion, the green onion. I got two of these. They used to be $4 for $1. Now they are just it was like $1.70 for two. So yeah, sometimes $1.99 for two. So basically 99 cents each, which is surprising. In the last 3 years everything prices have gone up. So coming to the scallion curry, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save the bottom portion because I'm gonna grow it. So I'm gonna cut from here because I want to grow this thing, and this portion is the one I'll put in my soil and regrow them, and the top one I'll cut into tiny little bit pieces and cook it with potatoes. So I have little bit of oil. To that I have some cumin seed and a saffrorida and 2 cloves of garlic roasted, and to this I'm going to add my scallion and potatoes. So as you see, I have my scallions and I have little bit of salt, turmeric, garam masala powder and vegetable masala powder. I'm going to cover it and cook it about 15 minutes until my potatoes are soft. So I have scallion and potatoes. So here's the green onion and the potato curry. It's amazing. It tastes really awesome. Try it once and you'll love it.